Good morning, kindergarten. We are back with another English lesson. Let's start our day with this lovely message. You can learn something new every day if you listen. It's very important to listen to your elders, your mom, your dad, grandparents, and your teachers. Let today be the start of something new. Today's topic is the reader, Pirate Adventure. We are going to read a part of that reader and answer a few questions at the end. Have you ever seen a pirate? Probably not. Well, how about a movie about a pirate? Perhaps you have read a book about a pirate. I want you to think about that for a moment before we start. So that's a pirate right there. He looks happy. Let's think of the words that come to your mind when we think about pirates. Ship, gold coins, map, eye patch, diamonds, flag. As I told you in the beginning that today we are going to read the reader Pirate Adventure. This is the front cover of the book. Front cover shows us the title of the book and the name of the author of the book. Author is the person who writes the book. So the author of Pirate Adventure is Roderick Hunt and Alex Britta. This is the back cover of the book. The back cover of the book gives us a little idea about what the book will be all about. So by looking at the front cover of the book, which shows the picture with the title, and by reading the back cover of the book, we can guess that this book is about pirate. Biff was looking at a book. The book was about pirates. I don't like pirates, she said. Wilf and Wilma came to play. They went to Biff's room. They looked at the little house. It's a magic house, said Biff. Don't be silly, said Wilma. The children went inside the house. It's a magic house, they said. Look at the sand, said Biff. Look at the sea, said Chip. Come on, they said. They ran to the sea. Wilf picked up a shell. Chip picked up a coconut. Biff climbed up a tree. Wilma went in the sea. This is magic, they said. They played on the sand. They played in the sea. What an adventure, said Biff. A pirate came up. He looked at the children. Children, said the pirate. Pirates, said the children. Oh, help, they said. Come on, said the pirates. The pirates had a boat. They went to the pirate ship. I don't like pirates, said Biff. Look at that pirate, said Biff. Look at that big rope, said Chip. I am frightened, said Wilf. We wanted a party, said the pirate. Nobody wanted to come. Will you come to the party? That's all we are going to read for today, kindergarten. You can continue to read the rest of the story from the reader. Let's have a mini quiz. I am going to ask you a question and give you 3 options to choose from. Here is the first one. Why did the pirates take the children? Option number 1. They wanted to party with the children. Option number 2. They wanted to show them their diamonds. Option number 3. They wanted to harm the children. What is the correct answer? Yes, they wanted to party with the children. Wonderful. Here is another one. What was Biff's book about? Option number 1. The sea. Option number 2. A magic castle. Option number 3. Pirates. What's the correct answer? Yes, the book was about pirates. Wonderful! Now you have to attempt worksheet number 1 and send us the pictures of those worksheets. Have a nice day. Bye bye.